Hello, I'm in a 2004 Toyota Prius, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first you go on the driver's side here, and then you look down until we find this little release, at which point we'll pull. Should have feel a little tension and hear a click or a pop, which we did. At which point we'll go up to the front. And that's just a little safety feature. Make sure it stays closed while you're driving, or so while you're parked, nobody comes and messes with your car. As you can see, it's loose now. So you'll just feel in. Most vehicles have a lever around the middle here, but right here, so the lever's here, so we'll push up and then lift the hood up. And that's it. You can see that's what this side looks like with the lever I was pushing on. And it hooks onto this. If you're having issues with this part, potentially your hood's slightly out of alignment, or you got some gunk stuck up in this here, which you might need to make sure you clean out any possible debris. Sometimes stuff gets a little out of alignment. In worst case, these parts aren't very expensive if you have to replace the latch. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.